Hi, this is Sally from Mold Agent here in New York City. Just wanted to take a minute and make a video about updated AllergencoD air sampling cassettes. Here is the original cassette that we have been using for many years. One of the great things about original cassettes are these stickers that you just peel on and off and you stick them on your equipment and replace them when the sample is done. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. And you place it with this serial code in the front. Here is the updated AllergencoD cassette. One of the benefits of the new AllergencoD cassette is the larger space to describe your sample. The new caps on the cassettes are quite easy to remove and replace, but unlike the sticker covers, you now have to keep track of the caps. Hit the comment section and let us know how you feel about the new AllergencoD cassettes.